ClickUp is a project management tool that offers various features to help teams communicate and collaborate effectively. While it's not a dedicated communication platform like Slack or Microsoft Teams, ClickUp provides several ways for team members to interact, share information, and stay on the same page. Let's explore the communication features within ClickUp. Understanding ClickUp's communication features. ClickUp offers several built-in features that facilitate team communication. Task comments. Discuss task-specific details, ask questions, and provide updates within individual tasks. Chat. Engage in real-time conversations with team members within specific spaces, folders, or lists. Documents. Create and share documents, wikis, and knowledge bases. Mentions. Tag team members or tasks to notify them of important information. Notifications. Receive alerts for updates, comments, and assignments. Task comments. Focused discussions. Task comments provide a space for team members to discuss specific details, ask questions, and provide updates related to a particular task. This feature helps keep conversations organized and ensures that all relevant information is attached to the task itself. You can use task comments to ask clarifying questions about task requirements, provide updates on task progress, share relevant files or links, tag team members for input or review, record decisions or action items, chat, real-time conversations. ClickUp's chat feature allows team members to have real-time conversations within specific spaces, folders, or lists. This feature is useful for quick discussions, sharing updates, and coordinating efforts. You can use chat to share quick updates or announcements, ask a question that needs immediate attention, coordinate tasks or activities, share files or links, have informal team discussions. Documents. Centralized Information Hub. ClickUp's Documents feature enables you to create and share documents, wikis, and knowledge bases. This feature provides a centralized location for storing important information, project guidelines, and team policies. You can use documents to create project plans or specifications, develop meeting agendas or minutes, build a team knowledge base, share company policies or procedures, collaborate on documents in real time. Mentions. Tagging for visibility. ClickUp's Mention feature allows you to tag team members or tasks within comments, chat messages, or documents. This feature ensures that the right people are notified of important information or action items. You can use mentions to assign a task to a specific team member, ask a question to a particular person, bring a task to someone's attention, link to a related task or document. Notifications. Staying informed. ClickUp's notification system keeps you informed of updates, comments, and assignments. You can customize your notification settings to receive alerts in ClickUp, via email, or through mobile push notifications. You can use notifications to stay updated on task progress. Know when someone comments on a task you're involved in. Get notified when a task is assigned to you. Receive reminders for upcoming deadlines. Communication best practices in ClickUp. To maximize communication effectiveness in ClickUp, consider these best practices. Use task comments for task-specific discussions. Keep conversations about task details within the task comments to maintain context. Use chat for quick, real-time communication. Utilize chat for quick questions, updates, or coordination that doesn't require a permanent record. Use documents for important information. Store crucial information, guidelines, and knowledge base articles in documents for easy access and reference. Use mentions to ensure visibility. Tag the relevant team members or tasks to ensure that important information is seen by the right people. Customize your notifications. Adjust your notification settings to receive the alerts that are most important to you without getting overwhelmed. Establish communication guidelines. Define team communication guidelines to ensure clarity, consistency, and efficiency. Regularly check for updates. Make it a habit to check ClickUp regularly for new comments, chat messages, and notifications. By implementing these practices, you can leverage ClickUp's communication features to enhance team collaboration, improve information sharing, and streamline your workflows.